Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Shari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Ngayon po, ang gagawin natin ay isang pangkahalatang pagbasa pagdating po sa taon na 2024 dahil meron po nag-request sa atin na gawin ito. So, tignan natin kung ano yung makukuha nating mensahe para sa iyo, Virgo. Ang gagawin ko po ay every quarter ng taon ang pagbasa. At gagawin ko po yung una, yung career at yung money. Tapos po yung love. Okay? So, ngayon, tingnan muna natin kung ano yung general na message para sa'yo, Virgo. Yung pangkalatang mensahe para sa'yo, Virgo, para sa buong taong 2024. We have enlightenment, pursue spiritual growth, confrontation, pick your battles wisely, and sensuality, express your sensuality. You're very sensual, Virgo. Bagay na bagay ito sa'yo. So, ito yung tatlong bagay na kailangan mong mag-focus for this year to give your energy, something to do with enlightenment, and kasi they're also highly spiritual people, so focus kayo doon. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yung spiritual side nyo kasi you're very intellectual. You're very intellectual people, and you use your logic frequently or most of the time, but you also have to look at the other side, which is yung spiritual side ng inyong iniisip, no? Kung gaba, wag puro practicality, wag puro kaperahan. So, tignan din natin yung spiritual side nun, okay? If you can develop that, yung spirituality na yun, much better. As if you are being encouraged here. Then, confrontation, syempre, because you are, you're such a good critic. Magaling kayong magsabi kung ano yung mali, kung ano yung dapat, no? Minsan, o most of the time, sabihin natin, palagi, hindi kayo naiintindihan ng tao kasi nga yung ugali nyo yan eh. No? Dahil nga ang tawag mo doon, you overthink, no? Nag-iisip kayo talaga, ginagamit yung inyong isip ng madalas, kaya kung gaba lahat ng bagay, bawat detalye, nakikita nyo, naiintindihan nyo. Kaya, yung kagustuhan nyo lang na sabihin o paalam do sa tao o sa person mo na ito yung iyong opinion at sa tingin mo ito yung mas tama, minsan na misunderstood, hindi naiintindihan at lumalabas na ikaw ay may pagka-antipatiko. Okay? Hindi mo ano yun. You just wanted to be of help, to be of service to everybody. Yun ang yun ang pinaka main goal mo, no? Makatulong. Pero hindi naiintindihan ng tao minsan yun. But sabi nga nila, you have to pick your battles wisely. No, sometimes baka mas makakabuti na kung alam mo tong particular situation na to ay magdudulot lang ng gulo sa'yo o hirap, maybe you keep yourself in silence, no? Tahimik ka lang. Pag hiningi opinion mo, doon ka magsalita. Pero kung hindi hinihingi, just keep it muna to yourself, what you have observed, and what you are, thinking in your mind, kung ano yung the best solution. Just do what you need to do on a daily basis. And, sabi nga nila, pick your battles wisely. Kung sa tingin mo hiningi opinion mo, then that's the time that you speak out and let them hear what they need to hear. Hanggang ba? Okay? And sensuality, alam mo na yan, Virgo. You're very sensual, so I don't need to explain further. Okay? But you have to focus on these 3 things for the whole 2024 as an advice, okay? Sa'yo. Now, sa tarot, let us see kung ano yung lalabas para sa buong taon per quarter. The Ten of Swords, the King of Wands, the Queen of Cups. Though the second quarter is the Ace of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, and the Ten of Wands. Third quarter, we have the Page of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. And the last quarter is the Queen of Wands, the Moon, and the Ten of Cups. Overall energy, the Page of Wands, and the Tower. Okay, Virgo. Yung first quarter natin, no, this is January, February, March. January, you start this month, no? Bago tayo mag-umpisa, pinapaalala ko lang po, Virgo, na ito ay pangkahalatang pagbasa. Okay? So, general read. So, merong mga bagay na magre-resonate at may mga bagay na hindi. Okay? Kunin nyo lang po yung magre-resonate sa inyo at huwag nyo pong pansinin yung hindi. Okay? Maliwanag po yan. Now, nag-start tayo itong buwan na to na may ending, may pagtatapos. Merong talagang nangyari na kung gaba kasukdulan na. Maybe it has something to do with last year, with 2023. Kasi yung when it comes to work, maybe it has something to do with I don't know, a project, o kung gaba parang something na inaasahan mo na, or maybe something that is truly a burden sa'yo kasi kung gaba sobra-sobra na yung trabaho mo last year, parang this time pagpasok ng January naging nabawasan na, kung gaba natapos na yon. And pagdating nung, kung gaba, what I'm saying, pagdating ng February is action ka. You are, kung gaba, in action mode ulit to do work, to do what you're good at. Kung gaba, pinilalabas mo lahat yung pagiging creative mo, and with all that energy na you're so parang excited to really show yung what you have, no? I think what happened kasi in January is you felt so exhausted. Maybe because mayroon pang, kung gaba nag-overflow yung work mo nung last year to this month. No, kung gaba parang sobrang pagod na ako. Kung gaba yun yung nakikita mo, naiisip mo. Pero nung pagpasok ng February, medyo na-rejuvenate ka na ulit. I think you had some time to have a rest pagdating nung itong buwan na tong January. If you weren't able to have your holiday last year, baka ngayon mo tinake tong January. So, pagdating ng February, medyo buhay ka na ulit, no? Yung energy level mo is really up and high and willing to start doing all these creative things or yung mga thoughts o anything to do with your work na talagang lumalabas yung galing mo, okay? Yung determination mo, okay? To fulfill that goal. And of course, at the end of the quarter, we have the Queen of Cups na talagang you're so in love with your work. Gustong-gusto mo siya. Love na love mo talaga yung work mo. Pinakikita mo dito kasi na napatunayan mo nung last month na talagang I'm back. I'm back on my feet and I'm doing great and I'm hitting my goals, my quota, and everything, no? Yung mga, kung gawa napaka-positive ng dating nung ating pag-end nung last quarter. So we're talking about, it started quite good with February and March, okay? Now, pagdating ng second quarter, you feel, dahil nga naging maganda yung output mo dito nung first quarter, in general, pagpasok nung April, no, you felt there is this new beginning, bagong pag-uumpisa ulit ng pag-express mo ng creative, that creative side of you, that passion in you when it comes to working. Talagang kung gaba full energy mode ka to really fulfill your work. Mataas yung energy level, excited ka to work, to come to work. Maybe things are really hitting, really working very well with you. Okay yung clients, okay yung environment, working environment, and everything. To a point na pagdating ng May, ito na naman, nag-overflow na ulit yung mga dami ng trabaho as if hindi mo na makayanan yung responsibility. Because maybe management has seen how good you are with your work, na parang nadagdagan ka na naman ng responsibility. No? Kasi this is a new beginning with the Ace of Wands. A new beginning, parang I think you were provided or you will be given another responsibility or added work. Kasi nga magaling ka eh. You're very good at what you're doing. Kaya medyo parang pagdating ng May, na ito na, oops, paano ko ba ito kakayanin pa? Ang dami ko nang ginagawa, dinagdagan pa ako. But of course, you being a Virgo, hindi ka makakahindi eh, because you are so dedicated with your work. You know, pagdating sa trabaho, nobody can really question how hardworking you are. Kaya you're doing your best to manage your time, to manage your work and everything and your family. Kaya at the end of the quarter, which is June, you feel so burdened, no? No, overburdened ka na. Pagod na. Napapagod na ako kasi eto na, dinajuggle ko na yung work and it's really getting into me. Getting tired na naman. I cannot blame you kasi talagang, alam mo yung given an added responsibility or another work. Or maybe this could have been a promotion. Take it as it resonates, Virgo. This could have been a promotion. Kasi kung gaba parang, di ba, nadagdagan ka ng trabaho eh. But you feel that burden. Pagod. Sobra. Yung stress level ang taas. If you are new to this work, because you've been promoted or you've been moved to another department, siyempre tataas talaga yung stress level mo. This is something na talagang you're still trying to, get yourself into it. Kasi kung gaba, hindi mo pa nakakapa. Kung gaba, nag-a-adjust ka pa lang. Okay? If it is really a promotion, if this is a promotion. Now, pagdating nung third quarter, there was an offer to you, no? There was an offer to you. Something solid. Maybe management has really seen yung naging output mo and things are really, no, in a way they're happy. But with the Page of Pentacles, may offer something solid na maybe an increase in salary. Kasi nabago nga yung ano mo dito eh. Yung trabaho mo o nadagdagan ka ng trabaho. But what is not good about it is pagdating ng August, na heartbroken ka. Maybe because that's the time when you receive that solid offer. Yung binigay sa'yo na supposedly increase in pay, eh, hindi yung ina-expect mo. Hindi yon. It was frustrating for you. Maybe because na-feel mo na yung workload is not fully compensated dito sa pera na natatanggap mo or the pay that's being given to you or the salary that you're receiving. That's why pagdating ng September, you wanted na talagang sana tama lang, yung patas lang, no, with the Six of Pentacles. Kung ano yung output ko, sana yun din ang input ko. Kung ano yung galing na binibigay ko sa trabaho, sana yung bayad sa akin, ganun din. Yun yung inaano mo rito. Wini-wish mo. You sort of saying to yourself na dapat ganito sila eh. Ang dami ko nang work, tapos ito lang binayad sa akin. A page, no? Maliit, isa pa lang. Kung gaba sa barya, kung gaba sa pera, barya muna. Ina-expect mo kasi marami ng papel, di ba? But that's you, that's your thoughts. And pagdating nung last quarter, October, November, December, you just kept on, no? Sige ka lang. Kahit may frustration ka nung third quarter dahil nga doon sa natanggap mo na offer sa'yo. You're so excited, you did your work, and napatunayan naman na okay ka, but somehow the pay was not, equal to what you are giving out to sa company. But you continue, you push on. You maintain that pagiging creative mo, maintain mo yung that determination, that passion within you, yung action mo, yung output na yan. Nalos hindi ka nagbago. No? Pinagpatuloy mo with the Queen of Wands, no? Pinagpatuloy mo yan. Kung ba pinanindigan mo na hindi ako to eh, magaling ako talaga, kaya ko to, ganito ako mag-work. This is me. Now, because of that hard work, and with the energy of the moon, no, may mga bagay na hindi mo pa alam. Maybe this was kept secret from you. Hindi itinago sa'yo. Kung ba parang hindi mo na pinaalam sa'yo. O hindi mo talaga alam. Kasi pagdating ng December, Virgo, ang saya-saya mo. As if you're on top of the world. Ang saya-saya mo. It was a dream come true. It was a wish fulfillment. You will be happy. Okay? Something that hindi mo alam. Something that truly unknown to you. O hindi ka aware. Yung pala, pagdating ng December, ang saya-saya mo. O magiging masaya ka. Okay? Kasi papunta pa lang tayo sa December. Papunta pa lang tayo dito eh. Nandito pa lang tayo sa January. Okay? So you will start something that is dead and tiring, but you'll end up the year happy. Okay? Virgo, magiging masaya kapag dating ng December. Siguro ang laki ng 13-month pay mo. Baka may 14, 15, 16 pa. Okay? Baka naman. Baka naman tayo dyan. Now, ang overall kasi dito is with the Page of Wands, that message of passion na ipinapakita mo. And the Tower, something na hindi mo na-expect. Maybe the thing that you are not expecting is this 10 of Cups. That happiness na idudulot pala nito sa'yo. Because maybe it was something na talagang akala mo parang it's just an added work. Pero hindi siya eh. Hindi siya added work lang. No? Kasi kala mo nga added work, pero wala namang masyadong added pay. Pero nagulat ka, meron pala. So something beautiful will come out of all of this at the end sa December. Okay? So something worth waiting for. Okay? So talagang maganda yung pasok ba ng career mo for the year 2024. Now, pagdating naman sa love life, Virgo, okay, something happened on January, ito ngayon, and something ended again with the Ten of Swords. May natapos, may nag-ending, kung gaba parang I'm done and over with and hiwalay na tayo, split na tayo. Ganun yung dating eh. Kasi yung Ten of Swords is an ending, pagtatapos. Pagtatapos, maybe whatever situation you are, pagtatapos sa isang fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Okay? Maybe that relationship that you had noong 2023, tinapos mo na tong January with an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Okay? Or meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. That's why, yung kung gaba itong first quarter na to, ano ba yung tinapos? Maybe you were asking, ano ba yung tinapos? Definitely love with the Queen of Cups. Tinapos mo na yung love, no? Sa tao na to. Now, maybe why? Because maybe you might be dealing with another one, which is a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. So, if you are dealing before with a fire sign, ngayon, I think you've been thinking also of a water sign. Kung gaba parang ang tinapos mo is yung fire sign. No, and for you, I think you wanted to continue that passion with a water sign. Okay? Maliwanag ba yun? Kung gabad itong first quarter na to this year, may magi-ending, and I think they will also start something new with another person. Magi-end yung relationship mo from your person sa past, which is yung person mo noong 2023, but you will start something from a water sign itong 2024. Now, yung second quarter, you have a new beginning, something very passionate, but you are still juggling with this relationship. Medyo hindi ka pa sure. Tinitimpla mo pa rin. Kasi pakiramdam mo is nakaka-burden. It's so burdening. Kasi maybe you receive a passion of a message, something very passionate, na from your person, again, dito sa tinapos mong relationship. Kaya kung gaba parang, I think bumabalik itong, nararamdaman ko bumabalik itong King of Wands mo, itong fire sign mo sa'yo. Kaya kung gaba parang, eto ka na naman. Nanggugulo ka na naman sa akin and I don't know, nagdadala ng confusion sa'yo. And nahihirapan ka. Pagdating ng third quarter, there was an offer, no? I think you made an offer, Virgo. Kasi these are pentacles. Something na talagang maybe to solidify yung relationship mo with the water sign. But somehow, I think you get so affected. Kasi nga, kahit gusto mong maging equal yung give and take, hindi mo magawa eh. Hindi mo pa totally magawa. I think there is something more to this than just being, you know, splitting with the King of Wands or the fire sign guy or girl. Kung gaba parang, I think there's more involvement dito. Kaya kung gaba nagkaroon ka ng heartache or frustration. Wala kasing equal give and take eh. Yun yung nagiging problema. Hindi mo mabigay ng patas. Especially if you are married to this person, hindi kasi ganun kadali na parang sabihin natin, ihiwalay na tayo. Diba? Hindi ganun eh. You have to go through a lot of legal things first. Ayusin nyo legally yung marriage nyo to have it annulled probably. Kasi kung magkakaiwalay na kayo, you need to separate the properties, you know, pag-usapan yung mga bata o yung anak, yung support, yung child support, stuff like that. Paano natin hatiin itong money in the bank, yung mga ganon, yung mga properties natin. So marami pang pagdadaanan. So hindi siya ganun ka-clear. Hindi ganun kadali. Kahit na gustong-gusto mong maging kayo na nitong water sign mo, still, you cannot do it right away. Kaya hindi mo mabigay yung equal give and take. Pagdating ng last quarter, you know, you gave that particular energy, no, from yung energy nga ng fire is very passionate, yung action-oriented, determined. So in other words, binigay mo yon. You did what you should need to do. Virgo, ginawa mo yung dapat mong gawin. Kahit na sabihin natin na hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari. You don't know what's gonna happen sa future. Pero ginawa mo lang yung talagang gusto mo, kung saan ka passionate about. And you might be dealing with a Pisces, no, with the moon. Kaya, kung gaba parang ginawa mo yung dapat mong gawin, kahit hindi mo alam, pero ito ngayon na nangyari. You continue to do what you want because that's what's in your heart. Kaya kung gaba, gusto mo lang maging maligaya, you wanted to be happy, and you will be happy. You'll be happy with this relationship. Kahit na sabihin natin hindi mo alam. You are not sure of what's gonna happen. Pero kung gaba parang, sige, gagawin ko to. Kasi nga, yung message na yon that you received, kahit na sabihin natin something shocking or something unknown, talagang ito yung kung gaba nag-push sa'yo just to continue to be with this person, itong water sign mo. Kasi alam mo siya yung magbibigay ng kaligayahan. At the end of the day or the end of the year, nung nangyayari pa nga, maybe this time, things will be cleared. If this message is all about things have been cleared already, no, naayos nyo na, and something na hindi mo na-expect na maayos ka agad, and that would bring happiness, no? Dadala to ng kaligayahan. Hindi mo inaakala na talagang, with the moon, para bang, in a way, parang minsan hopeless ka na eh. Maayos pa ba to? Hindi ko mo alam eh. You cannot see the future. Everything seems to be so, parang nakatago. Everything is nakakubli. Hangga ba? A secret. Parang ganun eh. Merong hindi mo makita. Pero hindi mo alam na magdadala pala ito ng kaligayahan sa'yo. I hope I'm making sense. Okay? Now, maybe what we do, we clarify. Okay? Bakit andito yung Ten of Swords? We have the Nine of Swords and the King of Swords. Yan. Yung Ten of Swords dito, nagdadala ng sobrang sleepless night sa'yo. Sobrang pag-worry. Worry for you to know the truth. Alamin mo yung katotohanan. Because you wanted to know na ano na ba talagang gagawin ko. No? Maybe because nga yung ending na yan, you want to have an ending with this fire sign already. And I think you wanted to know kung okay kayo nitong Queen of Cups also. Bakit nandito yung Queen of Cups? Oh. Ang Queen of Cups mo, sabi ko sa'yo, di ba yung water sign mo? You wanted, yan, tatlo pala sila. Ganito yan. You wanted communication. So, to reconcile, para masabi mo na you are the love of my life. Nakita mo yan, Virgo? I'm not making this up. The Queen of Cups here, the water sign that I'm talking about, no, male or female, you wanted to communicate. Gusto mo siyang makita, makausap. Gusto mo magkita, makausap, magkita kayo para masabi mo sa kanya na ikaw yung mahal ko. You're the love of my life. You are the one. You are my soulmate. That is the one that is keeping you up at night thinking about this person. You wanted to tell the truth. It is getting to be a burden to you tung January na to. Nagiging burden sa'yo. Kaya, you wanted to let this person know na ikaw yung mahal ko. You're the one that I'm passionate about. Gusto ko nang matapos, ma-ending tong pinahirap-hirapan ko tong sarili ko, okay? Pinahirap-hirapan ko tong sarili ko kasi kailangan ko sabihin sa yung katotohanan. Because if I wasn't able to tell you last year na mahal kita, ngayon, tong 2024, I will do my best to let you know exactly how I feel. Exactly how I feel. Okay? One interpretation pa, ngayon, having to clarify all of this. Kaya, nagkaroon ng pagtatapos. You wanted to end itong pag-iisip. You wanted to be truthful to your water sign. Because you wanted to put action to this already. Gusto mo nang umaksyon. In other words, gusto mo na ipaalam sa tao na to na talagang mahal mo siya. Anong action yung titake mo is to communicate and reconcile or to have a date and to tell the person truthfully na siya talaga yung mahal mo. Okay? So, very clear siya. Now, bakit andito yung Two of Pentacles? We have the Eight of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. Why are you juggling? You're trying to see kasi kung should I leave and start a new beginning? Or should I leave and, offer a solid commitment? Kung ba? Kasi there is already that new beginning in passion. Kung ba, I think something, napakita mo na, in a way. You're very passionate with your person. Ngayon, ito naman yung tanong kasi is, mag-o-offer na ba ako dito sa tao na to for a commitment na maging kami na panghabang buhay? Kasi, again, tanong natin, bakit andito yung Ten of Wands? We have Judgment and the Page of Cups. So, yung nagiging burden siya kasi you need to make the decision already about this offer of love. No, nag-burdensome na siya kasi kung ba parang hinihingi na ng pagkakataon na gumawa ka ng desisyon. No, gumawa ka na ng isang matinding, importanteng desisyon tukol dito sa pag-o-offer mo ng iyong pag-ibig. Kung ba parang yung timing mo. It's time for you to make that offer. Okay? Para hindi na maging burden sa'yo. Now, yung ino-offer mo dito, I think you were trying to offer now, pagdating ng third quarter. Bakit ka nagkaroon ng heartache? Ba't andito yung Three of Swords? We have the Seven of Swords and the Six of Cups. Bakit kami heartache? Ito. Kasi may pagsisinungaling about the past. No? Seven of Swords is about lying, trying to make up stories, or maybe yung sabihin natin na hindi pagiging honest. Somebody that is from the past. Maybe you weren't able to tell everything about your past. No? Kaya masakit. It could be a frustration. Kasi lalo na kung inaano natin yung equal give and take, no? Reciprocity. Kung in person mo is asking you to be totally equal and honest, kung ba pareho kayo dapat na ganun, equal and honest, nagiging, alam mo yun, yung if you're holding back something, some information, talagang magkukos yun ng heartache sa inyo. Kasi lalo na kung it matters or it concerns about your past. I think ang sinasabi dito is kinukubli mo yung nakaraan mo, tinatago mo na. You don't want to talk about it. You don't want to discuss about it. No? Kasi maraming hindi maganda nung nakaraan. Maraming pagsisinungaling o hindi paggawa ng tama based sa mga past relationships mo. Kung para sa'yo, past na yun tapos na yun, wag na natin pag-usapan. But that would bring heartache. Ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, if your person is really into that equal give and take, the reciprocity, huwag mo itago yun. Let it all out. Remember, you started with the King of Swords, somebody na talagang ang habol nito ay katotohanan, truthful communication, totoong pag-uusap, heart to heart, open, honest, yung ganun. Okay, so bakit andito yung moon? Bakit andito yung moon? We have the 9 of Cups and the Page of Swords. Okay. So, yung sinasabi natin dito na hindi mo alam, no, you don't know, something unknown, is that you have wished for. It is a wish fulfillment. Ito yung 9, ito yung 10. So, talagang may continuity. It was a wish fulfillment. Something that you are, kung gaba parang matagal mo na tong iniisip. Matagal mo na tong gustong masabi o mangyari o matupad, no, with the Knight or the Page of Swords. Talagang hindi mo akalain na itong bagay na to ay mangyayari. And it will happen because you see, you have the 10 of Cups. Kung ano man yung wini-wish mong yun o naiisip mong yun about this person or this love, talagang matutupad siya. Okay? It was truly a wish fulfillment. Tinupad lang yung pangarap mo. Maybe with question, bakit andito yung Page of Wands? Ano bang message to? Andito yung Page of Wands. It's Temperance and the 2 of Wands. Yung message mo na natanggap dito, this message of passion, is all about being balanced and the one that you have waited for. O you have made a decision. Yung decision na yon na talagang gusto mo siya. Gusto mo yung tao na yon ang yung magbibigay ng balanse sa buhay mo. Siya yon. Yung naiisip mong tao. Kaya naging wish fulfillment para sa iyo eh. Kaya nangyari, happy ka, no? You're so happy na nangyari ito. Okay? So, I hope na nakatulong yun, ano. I mean, kasi when I was starting it seems to be, we are heading to a different kind of storyline. But, nung kiniklear na natin yung mga cards, so, in a way, meron pa rin connection doon sa una ko nasabi. Okay? Kaya, kung ba parang, just take, sabi ko nga, kung ano yung nagre-resonate sa inyo, sa case nyo, kasi ito ay pangkahalatang pagbasa, kaya marami pong pwedeng i-interpret, marami pong pwedeng sabihin, and to think this is for the whole year, kaya take it as it resonates po. Okay? So maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin, Virgo, sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.